Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I bought this mini clay food set on Amazon and I thought it would be fun to open it together. The first one is this breakfast one. It's pancakes with strawberries and 2 little boiled eggs. Each kit comes with the instructions, the clay, usually a plate or a little plate stand, and a sheet of cutouts like a menu and a placemat and the label for the bottle, and a little clay tool. For the pancakes, the instructions said to cut it into thirds, but I thought that was too thick, so I ended up dividing it and making 6 pancakes. I mixed a little of the dark brown and light brown together for the syrup, and then I kind of flattened it out, laid it on top, and then kind of drug it down to make it look like it was dripping. The yellow clay was dried out when I opened it, so I just borrowed some from another kit. Next up is the taco kit. The yellow was really bright in this one, so I ended up adding a little bit of the brown to the yellow just to kind of tone it down and make it more realistic. The dark green for the avocado was dried out in this one. I ended up just taking some of the regular green and adding the brown to it. The yellow in this one was dried out as well. For the meat on the taco, I just took the brown and rolled it into little balls. The green for the lettuce was very sticky. I ended up putting it on my finger and just kind of dabbing it on. Next is the candy box. As you can see, the white was very dried out. Luckily, I was able to pull from some leftover white. Next is the donut box. This one came with the cutest little donut box. next is the spaghetti, and I think this one probably turned out the worst for me. The tan clay was dried out, and I had to kind of make do with mixing some of the other ones together. The red clay was very, very sticky. Next is the hamburger and french fry set. This one was really cute, and it comes with a little plastic tray. The green clay was really, really sticky again. I think if any of you were going to buy this kit, I think it would be a good idea to have some backup air dry clay. Up next is the sushi, and this one is my favorite. It comes with a little carry-out tray and chopsticks. The white clay was dried out in this kit, so I ended up just cutting off a section of the dried out clay and used it. Lastly, we have the cake kit. This one was a bit disappointing. The white clay was dried out, so I had to use a yellow clay to cover it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.